And we're going to shift gears now to talk about Gmp Documents Hierarchy. So there's a hierarchy of Gmp documents. The hierarchy is based on really scope and specificity of each document type in a quality management system. Starting at the top, the quality manual and policies, and they stem from ISO philosophy. They're the widest scope documents. They define the lay of the land, really, the landscape that a company intends to operate within with respect to quality. And then below these are the battery of SOPs and procedures that control processes and activities, which we all know about and are very familiar from day-to-day operations. Getting more specific from there are detailed work instructions, and these are followed by forms, logbooks, and check sheets, which are used to record the actual raw data. So your quality management system will typically include a variety of different document types, some of which I've mentioned, others that include test methods, training assessments, master manufacturing formulas, and more. And as I present the holistic approach, you can see how these types of documents and others fit in to play a role in the overall determination of product quality, consistency, and safety and managed risk within the QMS.